Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 45 and 46. Devoted each to his own duty, man attains perfection. How engaged in his own duty, he attains perfection. Listen.
Chapter 18, Shloka 45. स्वे स्वे कर्मण अभिरतः संसिद्धिं लभते नरः स्वकर्मनिरत सिद्धिं यथा विन्दति तच्छृणु.
From whom is the evolution of all beings, by whom all this is pervaded. Worshipping him with one's own duty, man attains perfection.
Chapter 18, Shloka 46. Yatah pravrittir bhutanam yena sarvam idam tatam swakarmana tamabhyarchya siddhim vindati manavah.
Chapter 18, Shloka 45 and 46. How one can reach the state of perfection ultimately. The previous shlokas described the intelligent classification of human beings on the basis of their physical behavior, psychological structure, and intellectual aptitude, which is applicable universally. Lord says that each devoted to his own duty, man attains perfection or can evolve into higher states of self-foldment. Each one is ordered by his own swabhav, and each can discover his fulfillment only in the self-ordered field of activity. When a man acts according to his nature, swabhava, and station in life, his vasanas get exhausted. He comes to experience a sense of joy and relief, but only if he learns to work and achieve in a spirit of total self-surrender. When one works in the field ordered by one's own vasanas, and lives surrendering one's ego and egocentric desires to enjoy the fruits, one can enjoy a sense of fulfillment, and a great peace arises out of exhaustion of one's vasanas. The renunciation of the ego and its desires can only be accomplished if there is a spirit of dedication and a total surrender to the infinite. The goal to be constantly remembered is He from whom all beings arise and by whom all this is pervaded. It is only by the touch of the light of consciousness the inert matter comes alive, expressing its vasanas through the various activities. So soon the unbroken awareness of the Lord becomes a constant habit of the mind. Dedication becomes effective and one's evolution begins. Work can thus be changed into worship by attuning our minds all through the activity to the consciousness of the self. Work results in self-fulfillment in addition to the rightful fruits. The inner personality gets integrated, and such an integrated person grows in his meditation and evolves quickly. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.